So when we heard that Clear Funding were offering further money for a one-off project, I suggested to Linda at Drumcree Community Centre that we apply to make a CD in a professional recording studio with the group. I knew this would be loads of crack, great for the group's mental health. It would take them out of their comfort zone and we'd produce something unique and tangible. It turned out better than any of us could have expected.
Monkey mind, are you stressed, are you chilling? Monkey mind, are you reluctant, are you willing? Monkey mind, are you empty or fulfilling? Monkey mind, mischief making monkey mind.
The aims of our Spuds group, and Spuds is for simple, practical, ultimate de-stressing, is broadly to come together in a safe, welcoming and relaxed environment. And that's for activities that stimulate both our physical and our mental health. Now, it's for our well-being. There's no pressure to join in any or all of these activities. You could sit in the corner, drink tea and chat to your friends if that's what you wanted to do with that time and space. Yet everyone does join in and get so much from it. The group is to take a break from whatever responsibilities and cares we may have in our everyday lives and have the crack together, have a laugh in an environment of friendship. Having a laugh is high on our list, and everybody in the group embraces this aim wholeheartedly. If doctors could prescribe laughter and what we have together in this group, they would. We have it in abundance. The Spuds group is an immensely positive group to be involved in.
Exactly what's on the recording. That's what you've been listening to.
Our ethos has always been very much one of self-help, and anybody that comes here, adults or children, over my lifetime, over the last 20 years that I've been here, they pay testimony to that. The women in the Spuds group pay testimony to that. So we're like every other community group. We have our struggles, but we genuinely believe in what we're doing, whether it's with our toddlers, whether it's with our teenagers, or whether it's the programs that we run for adults within the community.
I don't compass in the community, and I've been back and open arms, and I'm really enjoying meeting all these ladies. Let me next to be part of the community.
When I haven't got a clue, give my headpiece, give my headpiece.
I'll laugh and Fairbank. That happens every week. That happens every week about the time to get promoted.
Yeah.
You know, laugh and very happy, so.
Monkey mind, monkey mind,
Chasing my own tail.
monkey mind, give my headpiece, monkey mind, monkey mind,
Rider my own head.
monkey mind,
Driver keeps changing.
monkey mind, wind your neck in monkey mind.
Well, the actual Monkey Mind song was inspired by many different life experiences. One of them being yoga school. Many years ago in yoga school we talked about the monkey mind, and I find that idea of a mental chatterbox really evocative and astute. It always appealed to me. Also, I'm a big fan of self-help books. So thank you Portadown Library for all of those, and I love positive affirmations and reinforcement. I wanted to put that to a good catchy tune that gets everyone singing, raising their happy hormones, and hey presto, you have Monkey Mind.
That's enough.
Here we go.
I am enough. I am enough. I am
enjoy trying new things. We'll give anything a go. And it's I always say about going back to basics, and it really is going back to basics. It's about being with other human beings. It's about using your imagination. It's about the crack. It's about the laughter. I mean, that's all therapy in itself. No matter what else you have going on in your life, by the time you leave, there's a good chance you have a smile on your face. The crack has been good. The banter has been good. The company has been good. And I mean, if you've got that, you've hit the jackpot. Everything else will fall into place.
Wow. Okay, so everybody knows who's getting on the bus 1 o'clock later.
It's all been a togetherness, a wellness and a friendship in that centre with lots of activities, and the paramount aim is for us to laugh, is for us to enjoy whatever it is that we're doing. And when we can laugh at life and at ourselves, when we can laugh together, then nothing can touch us at that time.
I'll be at peace when I get this sorted. I'll be at peace when I get that done. I'll be at peace in my mind for a moment in time before the next distraction comes along. Are you coming? Are you going? Monkey mind. Are you stuck? You should be flowing. Monkey.
Hello, Bossy.
Hello.
What's your stiletto heels, ladies? Yay! Here we are.
Like a Ukrainian flag. Hi.
Oh, fair ladies.
Hello.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
Let's see, what have you got?
I know, it's lovely, isn't
Oh, hello, darling. What about you?
I'm known out of woman. Hi, Glenn. Hi.
I've been telling you a story about do you want me to mine high or do you want me to mine low?
Hi, Arlo. Hi. Hello, my darling.
Hello. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow.
You get a wee chair, Arlo.
Wow, yes. Anybody hungry? There's sandwiches, there's crisps, there's biscuits, there's tea, coffee. Seeing that wee kitchen over there, the toilet is just there. And I don't think the lock works, so make sure some of the person behind you knows that you've gone in.
You'll hear one door, never one door.
I initially started Spuds because I have a very young family, and to prefer, you need me time away from the family, so you do. So that's why I started it. But I started and didn't really know a lot of people in the group, but the friendships have really, really increased. The bonds have got greater, and it's just amazing. It has also helped with mental health as well.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9.
Well, I bring my grandchildren down to all the various clubs and they all love going to it. They're all different ages. So when I was down signing them in, I spotted this Spuds, and I had never been to any of these before, and I was finding there was more and more in the house because of a grandchild lives in the house with me, so I needed out. So I said, well, I'll join this. But I went down like somebody was starting school on my own, and I've never enjoyed anything as much in my life. I've loved all the activities. The girls gave you confidence that you don't know you had. A lot of the activities I'm saying I'm going down to watch, I'm not going to do them. And I've ended up enjoying them so much. And I would recommend it to anybody.
I need to lay down and do that.
Here we go. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips. The tip of the tongue and the teeth and the lips.
What's on her own now? She's not with us, okay?
To be honest, coming to this group has been a godsend. 5 years ago, I took bad health and I thought I didn't really want to go out, didn't want to do much, and this has been great. This has helped my mental health greatly because I've met friends, it's took me out of my comfort zone. I'm doing things that I never thought I would do and I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and the girls have just made my life so much different.
That's enough. I am enough. I am.
And I've really enjoyed the group too. Susie and Karen are like a tonic. They're brilliant.
I am enough. I am. I am enough. I am. I am enough. I am enough.
I love all the relaxation and it's a bit of self-care for me, this group.
I enjoy coming to Drumcree. I'm actually not from the Drumcree community, but everyone's made me so welcome, and Karen and Susie are fantastic. I look forward to all the groups that and all the programs that devise. It's all a great laugh, and I've really met lovely, lovely people, and I treasure their friendship, and I enjoy going every week.
3 minutes to get your last woodbine down here. I'll be at peace when I get this sorted. I'll be at peace when I get that done.
The Twisted Sisters are a bunch of very friendly, funny Hallions who love to make music together, and we are from the fair county of Armagh, which has a wealth of incredible music, and we love to be part of it, and we hope we add to it.
If my headpiece monkey mind, are you stressed, are you chilling? Monkey mind, are you reluctant, are you willing? Monkey mind, are you empty or fulfilling? Monkey mind, mischief making monkey mind.
The Twisted Sisters has existed in various incarnations for many, many years. I suppose it all kicked off with the Leprechaun project of travelling in Canada, and it's just grown from there. It's a very organic band. We sort of, people come in, people go, there's a core of us. Anybody who loves making the music and wants to spend the time having the crack and making the music, it's an absolute pleasure to be a part of. I can't speak highly enough of all the people that we have made music with in the Twisted Sisters.
Chasing my own tail, monkey mind. If my headpiece monkey mind.
If we weren't having the crack, we wouldn't be doing it. It's a passion, it's a love of music and everything that surrounds it. It joins us together, and we make great music together, and we have a lot of fun.
'Cause I am enough. I am enough. I am loving, I am loved, I am enough. I am enough, I am enough. I am enough. I clear my place on this earth. I am enough. I am enough, I am enough. I am enough. I'll take the smooth with the rough. That's enough. I am enough. I am
Go in.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Steve.
I'll be at peace when I get this sorted. I'll be at peace when I get that done. I'll be at peace in my mind for a moment in time before the next distraction comes along. Are you coming? Are you going? Monkey mind. Are you stuck?
I'm not in the group. I'm not in the Spuds group, but my wife is. The difference it has made to her in her mental health. It has lifted her way up. There's been laughing. There's been carry on. The crack has been mighty for all the girls.
Yeah.
And I absolutely think it's the best thing ever. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. Making monkey mind. Give my head peace. Give my head peace. I drive myself insane with all this indecision. I make myself crazy when I don't know what to do.
I have achieved a lot out of it, a lot. I have a disability also, and I am so well accommodated by the group. I can't believe I'm getting so much out of it. So thank you.
Expressions of rapturous bliss at how fabulous is to your own life, because this is so fantastic.
I'll show you my good side.
Importantly, none of this would be possible without the mighty Linda O'Neill. She is a much respected, tireless advocate for the community and will create and fully support positive, inclusive and innovative ideas that benefit and empower both the community and further afield. I was actually motivated to complete Monkey Mind in a creative writing class held at Drumcree Community Centre. It was facilitated by the accomplished local author Fionnuala Cassidy, and Linda O'Neill made that happen. She does the thankless form filling, administration and organising, and she has the drive to make things happen. Thank you, Linda.
Monkey mind, am I chasing my own tail? Monkey mind, give my head peace. Monkey mind, if I choose the thoughts I'm thinking. Monkey mind, why do my own head in? Monkey mind, this record needs changing. Monkey mind, wind your neck in. Monkey mind.
The different eclectic bunch of feisty, fabulous women that came together to make this happen. That's what I loved about today.
'Cause I am enough. I am enough. I am loving. I am loved. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I claim my place upon this earth. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I'll take the smooth with the rough. That's enough. I am 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 enough.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. I think the group's fantastic. Susie and Karen's fantastic. Linda is absolutely amazing. I think we got Patrick. Absolutely.
Kelly, where's Kelly?
I'm here.
I'll do Kelly's.
And give yourself a pat on the
Well done, everybody. Well done.
I started a Spuds group, I'd say maybe 7 years ago. I had very little confidence. We came down, myself and Kelly. Mental health was absolutely zero when it comes to with the kids and stuff. So I thought, right, getting in there, getting my head showered, see how it was going to help. To tell you the truth, the best part about it is getting out of the house to get your head showered away from the children. You need to get down and get a few hours to yourself. But all the different activities that we've done writing groups, singing, drumming, every small aspect that we've done down there has really, really helped. You just need to come along and just see what it's like.
Just leave them there. They will get in. Oh, I will take mine with me.
Autographs later.
1, 2, 3. That was a good one. I felt the energy. Not so bad.
Brilliant.
See us all later. Fabulous. Fabulous. Bye, Patrick.
We gotta do it again.
Thank you, everybody. That was so good.
One last big year.
Monkey mind, are you stuck? You should be flowing. Monkey mind, are you bonkers? Is it showing? Monkey mind, if my head beats monkey mind, are you stressed? Are you chilling? Monkey mind, are you reluctant? Are you willing? Monkey mind, are you empty or fulfilling? Monkey mind, mischief making monkey mind. I'll be at peace when I get this sorted. I'll be at peace when I get that done. I'll be at peace in my mind for a moment in time before the next distraction comes along. Are you coming? Are you going? Monkey mind. Are you stuck? You should be flowing. Monkey mind. Are you bonkers? Is it showing? Monkey mind. If my head beats monkey mind, are you stressed? Are you chilling? Monkey mind. Are you reluctant? Are you willing? Monkey mind. Are you empty or fulfilling? Monkey mind. Mischief making monkey mind. Give my head peace. Give my head peace. I drive myself insane with all this indecision. I make myself crazy when I don't know what to do. I need to chill right out on what may never happen and give myself a break when I haven't got a clue. Give my head peace. Give my head peace. Are you illusion? Are you real? Monkey mind. Can I change how I feel? Monkey mind. Am I chasing my own tail? Monkey mind. If my head beats monkey mind, if I choose the thoughts I'm thinking, monkey mind. Why do